the violet hue. This one, normally, when I see it at the first time from Mr. Akmal, he bring this one to me and he said it, okay, this one is good, but I feel, it's just disinfection light. It is a disinfection light. When we buy it from any cheap shop, it can defect like shoes or shirt, anything. That is how the function of that original way. But when we start to fill in the frequency, we put the frequency in the lamp and make that plasma generator that's filled into the lamp going. Now the miracles start from here. So we put this one is very good with protection and aura shielding. So the normal program that we have here, we already have a clear heal and protection frequency running in the basic program. So when you receive it, you barely doesn't need the application. We have 5 frequency. We have 5 frequency inside. 837, 899. I have the post here. Yeah, but I don't need to read to all. So it has a set of frequency that we test and we try and we see, and we will make it like good for protection. And we have it in the basic. When you buy it, you turn it on and it's ready to use. The way of using is this one. The first thing, I like it a lot and I use it a lot. When we have problem with people or when we talk very strongly or communicating with people, like we have like fighting or we just like very straightforward discussion. And especially the fighting, when you fight with someone, you say something and he says something, he says something, you reply something. Even you finish the talking with him, you go out and he go another side. The communication and of the fighting communication will keep running. You will think that, okay, he will say this, you will reply this. He will say this, you reply this. You say this, you will reply this. This one will keep continually discussion in your head. You will have the fight in your head all the time. Even you didn't see him now, he go away and you go away. So the method of release, this one is to use the violet hue, starting from the right hand like this, 3 times, and then in the middle, 3 times. From the third eye to the soft bone. So you can go here 3 times. And then this part. Yes. If you feel more, you can do again. 1, 2, 3. This one will clears up the brain, clears up all the connection when you are talking with people or discuss something, or you straight for something, or you just like straight, annoying, all the emotion will release immediately. So this is the first method. The second method is, when you go to somewhere and there's a lot of people, or you are like a presenter to crowded people. So there might be something like, oh, you spend time too much, or you talk something too much, you don't like it. So that negative energy or that thought will send it to you immediately and it will stick with you. So after you finish your presentation, it will be with you, especially when you have like a crowded people. The method to do is to erase it like this. You put it on the front here, like this. And then in the back, erase, remove it. You can do yourself or you can ask someone to do for you. It's kind of like this. Put it in the back and then the side, remove. This one will remove everything. It will remove everything. So this one is for erase the energy that sometimes is stuck to you. Even somebody, they didn't intend to put that energy, put that thought to you, but it might go immediately when they think about this one. So this is the way of removing. The presenter need it very much. The healer, that you do the healing to somebody, you keep the energy to them, it might be bounced back to you. So you need this one to cleanse up yourself. And another thing that we just find out is if you want to make a bigger aura, we can use this one as the aura charging. So you can put it in front, move it like this, and then on the side, and then from the back. And then on the right hand here, it will make your aura bigger and bigger. Now, yeah, like me, it's very big now. So this is how we can like make the aura bigger. And another method, this is the very good one that Akmal gave to me, is to block the psychic connection through the chakra. So we can have starting from the top, clockwise. We can move it clockwise from the crown chakra, and then move it to the third eye. And then the throat, you can move like this. And then the heart. And then go down. And go more. Every chakra, you just have like moving like this. 4 or 3 times, it depends on what you like. And then you will go down to the knee. Oh, sorry, we forget the last, you didn't see the root chakra here. You just put it here. Clockwise, move it clockwise. And then the knee. Yeah. And the feet. So this one will like seal the psychic connection. So if you have like a psychic feeling or psychic attack, you can try to use this one. I will suggest if you have the value, you should do this one first. And then you seal the psychic connection. And then you feel the aura. And then you go to sleep. It will be good to try this one. So more than this thing will also has the application. If you want to connect the application to the value, it also can. So you have the same like basic library controller. It's the same like Mandala 1. You can change, you can type any frequency, and the audio frequency is exactly like the one. It can go audio frequency. Oh, I forget to pay again. Give me a second. I will remove this one first because the audio frequency is from the one. Unpair. Okay. Okay. We go to the setting pair. This one is 61. Value 61. Okay, 61. Okay, you can go to controller and then type any frequency. I will type 15. It will bring, you can see now that it's blinking. This is 15 hertz. Yeah. Because the basic program that we put to you is very high frequency, you will not see it by eye. So if you put low frequency, you will start to see it blinking. It rarely has frequency. We send the frequency from the generator to the plasma adapter, and then the plasma send the AC low voltage condensity to the gas. And this is where the unique of the thing is coming out from this. And if you want to try with audio frequency, it's also like the one. I will play that music to you again. So we can have like a Bluetooth connection. You go to audio first, and then you will see XYBT, XYBT. Okay, ABT, this one, and pair. Okay, and you can have the speaker, plug it here. Yeah, and then you can play music through the violet tube. Now the violet tube will work from the music. I only have this music. I'm truly sorry. Next time I'll prepare better. Yeah. So the frequency from music, through the speaker, we plug it in here to the speaker, and then the lamp is blinking according to the music. Yeah, like that. Okay. Now I'm just allow you to listen to Thai music. Yes. So this is our violet tube. After you finish, I will return the old program first. Clear, shield, and heal. For the violet tube, we don't have play. We have only upload. So you can just go here, upload it. They will have no play mode in the application. It has only upload. So this is the violet tube. Yeah, this is violet tube. Please beware. I would like to have some careful that because the violet tube, it doesn't hurt the eye. It doesn't hurt the eye. It will not make your eye shorter or make it burst. But the violet tube it's already violet, so it can make your eye damage. Like it will have only on the surface side, it can make your eye red. It can like make your eye dry. It can make like some hurt on the eye, but it will not destroy the nervous system of the eye. So it's better not to look at it. You can, if you want to put it in the room, you should put it in the back. It also can work like turn on like this. You put it in the corner of the room where you not see it or it's behind of you. Plug in the charger and leave it like that for some period for the room protection. And try not to look at it, or try not to use like this for long time. It will burn your skin as well because it's UV. So just to make sure that you will not do like that. And because it's violet C, you will smell some ozone gas coming out, because it's a specification of the UVC that when it touch with an oxygen, it will break the oxygen into ozone. So this one is still normal, but try not to smell too much ozone. It will hurt your lung, but it's good to clear the lung sometime. Okay, this is violet tube.